Let's have a look at a beautiful mid-19th century book. It is in embossed publisher's cloth with a beautiful ornate gilt spine. You'll notice the gilt remains almost as bright as the day it was issued. It's a nice, tight, clean example. Books of this era that survive in this rate are in a very distinct minority. It's probably scarce or rare based on condition alone. The beginning is a two-leaf, four-page publisher's catalog. It has a folding frontis of the signatures, facsimiles of the signatures of the Declaration of Independence. We see, for instance, there's Thomas Jefferson, there's John Hancock, Samuel Adams, Benjamin Franklin, on and on. We see the publication is 1855, and it contains the Constitution, Declaration of Independence, Fugitive Slave Bills of 1793 and 1850, the Missouri Compromise, the Kansas and Nebraska Bill of 1854. And one of the factors in this book, which is of some interest historically, is this emoluments clause here under Section 9. And we see here the clause, which is historically significant and perhaps you could even say very pertinent in the times we are currently in the midst of. You see here the rest of the book is all the text is set within rules, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.